everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a 2024 Lexus IS 500F Sport. Long name I know. It's a casting by Matchbox, part of their moving parts line, and it's new for 2026. Looks like a nice paint, nice color combo. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Lexus IS 500 Sport out of its box, and the first thing first, this blue paint looks really good. And I've actually seen this car on road in this paint, and it actually looks good. I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front, you've got some nice details. You've got nicely detailed front end with the big Lexus grille, Lexus badge. You also got headlamps detail and a small camera too. Looks nice. Lower grille is detailed again, and you also got this. I don't know if there is a fog lamp, but you've got the sights detail too. It has an opening hood, which we'll come and look at it later. But here you can see all the bulges on the hood. It's nicely sculptured. You got both the mirrors and windshield wipers. Now moving to the driver's side, I like this paint as I said before, and I think the 5-spoke black wheels look really good. I'm glad they didn't do chrome or any other color. The window, like a B pillar, is part of the plastic or like in the inside. It's not part of the diecast metal part. So on the driver's side, you also get the fuel filler. Door handles are there, body colored obviously, same as the car. Now moving to the back, again good details in the back. You can see you've got detailed tail lamp, you got a number plate which reads Lexus badge and IS 500 badge. Lower bumper is again detailed with twin exhaust and diffuser. They look good, and you can see the roof, there is a shark fin antenna and a small sunroof. Coming to the passenger side, almost looks identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler. This is how it looks from the bottom, obviously plastic base. Interior seems to be finished in black. There are some details, but I don't think the camera can really show you that, but let's try. Let's see if you can see something. That's really dark, it's tinted, so you can't really see, at least not through my camera, but it's a detailed interior. You've got all the 4 seats and everything. Now the hood is an opening one as we saw in the picture, so let's open it up and show you what's inside. So here's the hood, and just like few recent Matchbox casting, Matchbox has done a good job here too for like showing the underhood with some painted details, especially on the engine cover, and you can see it looks nice. It doesn't look like bland or full, but some details under there too, so it actually looks like an engine bay. But yeah, so overall I think it's a nice casting, looks really good, and I don't think you'll regret buying this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.